Hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, we will see difference between LAN, MAN, and WAN. So, let's get started. We will see difference between LAN, MAN, and WAN based on different parameters. Number 1. Based on full form. So, LAN stands for Local Area Network, MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network, and WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Number 2. Based on geographic span. LAN operates in small areas, such as the same building or campus. MAN operates in large areas, such as a city, and WAN operates in larger areas, such as country or continent. Number 3. Based on ownership. LAN's ownership is private. MAN's ownership can be private or public, and WAN might not be owned by one organization. Number 4. Based on transmission speed. The transmission speed of a LAN is high, while the transmission speed of a MAN is average, and whereas the transmission speed of a WAN is low. Number 5. Based on propagation delay. In LAN, the propagation delay is short. In MAN, the propagation delay is moderate, and in WAN, the propagation delay is long. Number 6. Based on congestion. In LAN, there is less congestion. In MAN, there is more congestion. And in WAN, there is more congestion than MAN. Number 7. Based on design and maintenance. LAN's design and maintenance are easy, while MAN's design and maintenance are difficult in LAN. And whereas WAN's design and maintenance are also difficult in LAN as well MAN. Number 8. Based on fault tolerance. There is more fault tolerance in LAN, while there is less fault tolerance in MAN. And in WAN, there is also less fault tolerance. I hope you understood difference between LAN, MAN, and WAN. See you in next video. Before that, if you like my video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.